Hey, what's up, BitTorrent holder? So, what's going on, BitTorrent holder? BTT has totally and negative. The result has totally gone down. So, this is urgent and special for BitTorrent holder because they gone very fastly. Totally, they goes down. So the 21 per number this time BitTorrent as in 30 or 21 number and the top cryptocurrencies. So I hope in upcoming days they starting moving up like a rocket. But why they goes down? And those days the market cap lost 10 billion US dollar. Everybody know that the market cap of the crypto market cap lost 10 billion US dollar. So what we do at this critical situation? BitTorrent holder ask me to what we do, sell, buy or hold. So this is the live price prediction of BitTorrent. Before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel. Is almost very important for you to subscribe it because this channel provide you a very latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you the two charts, three charts, and then we decide to what we do in this critical situation. First of all, 1 day chart, and then third day 3 day chart, and then last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the latest. So guys, first of all, you can see here the 24-hour result as a negative, very badly negative, minus 3.72 over 72%. They're gone down. They totally goes down. You can see here the big dump. This is a big dump, and I don't know why they take a big dump this time, because this is the second week start of this month and every cryptocurrency goes down in the start of month. But I don't know why this is the start second month and this is the starting, and I came the mid of this month is coming just in a few days before. So my brother, just to wait for the good time. This time you can see here the 1 day result is totally very bad. Not this time the price, because this is very important for decision. You can see here 0.010443 US dollar as the latest price of BTT. Okay, so let's check out the last 3 days result to what's going on in the last 3 days, and then we gone on the last 1 hour. You can see here the last 3 days result also very bad. You can see here this is a negative minus 5.66%. That goes down. You can see here they take a very bad dump, but they take again small jump. So but then again they take a very bad down. So this is our cycle, because you can see here very bad they gone down. The result is also very bad. BitTorrent is totally goes down. Why it goes down? This is one reason. This is start of month, and I have no reason other to why they gone down. My brother, this time in those days everyone's starting selling. So this is very bad to you sell it. Please don't sell it. I hope in upcoming days BitTorrent is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and I hope in upcoming days they're going like right. If you can see here I am also right. You can see here 0.31% going up in last 1 hour. So I hope in upcoming days they're starting moving up like a rocket. So what you say, this is good time to buy, this is good time to sell. My opinion, my expectation is that my expectation is very good from bet to BTT coin, and my opinion is that this is good time. If you have any plan to buy, then good time to buy, and if you have no plan to buy more, then hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit, they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching, see you next time.